Do you want your background and taskbar to look like this? Follow this video and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. It's very simple, so let me explain to you right now. For the taskbar, I use TranslucentTB. You can go to the Microsoft Store right here, and then you can type TranslucentTB. You will find this application icon, and then you have to download it right here. It's by Charles Miller, and you can also find it on the internet. If you search on Google for TranslucentTB, you will find this GitHub right here, and this is the original creator, so sponsor this creator if you really like his program. Well, let's go down here, and then you will find releases to your right when you go down. That's right here. After clicking on the latest version, you can scroll down right here and click on TranslucentTB.app installer. It's found under the assets, so you can click here and it will automatically install and go to an install folder right here. Or with me, I have FDM, that's a free download manager, it will automatically go to my downloads folder. When you have downloaded it right here, you can open it and then you will find this. But not that it's already installed, but that you can install the program right here. And this is with the Microsoft Store. So now that's a lot cleaner. You can also tweak a few things there by going on this icon right below and then right clicking on TranslucentTB. You can choose if you're on the desktop what's going to show, for example, normal instead of clear, or acrylic, because that's your preference. But I'm just going to keep it on clear. And when I open full pages like this, it's going to open like this. I want to have a black background. So I'm going to choose maximize window, enable this, and then go back and go to maximize window again. And I'm going to choose opaque, it's called. And then you have black background right here, so you don't get distracted by your own background that's running right now. Now let's change the background. Open your Steam, go to the store, and then type Wallpaper engine. This is only €4. You can buy this on the Steam store, and then you can open it when you have bought the program. Launch the application for the first time, and then select the normal mode and continue. After opening, you have to do a few settings in Wallpaper engine, and after doing that, it will allow you to change your wallpaper. When you have closed your Wallpaper engine, you can open it again with the hidden icons icon, and then you can click on Wallpaper engine right here. Double click on it and it will open. For the rest, you can find weird backgrounds if you want, but I'm only going to select the one I have right now. That's this one. And you can go to the workshop, which I'm not going to click on because it does have NSFW and animate things there, but you can download any wallpaper you want. You select it and it will automatically change your background. There you go. I'm just going to select this one and click on OK. After this, it will close and it will automatically run your background. Another tip, if you want to have colors in your windows like I have right here after my notifications, this is a sort of neon green, I would say. You can right click on your desktop, go to personalize. After this, click on colors, and here you can choose your accent color. If you change the color right here, choose for transparent effects. For example, dark mode, unless you're using light mode, that's fine. You can change your whole windows. You can also select these buttons and that will change the windows themselves. I do not prefer this because this is an ugly color, so I'm going to turn it off to keep it like this. If you found this video informational, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, because we will be posting more like these videos, the tech tips we are giving. Comment down below if there are more tips we could show, and we will shout out your name because you mentioned it to us. I will see you in the next one.